This Chevrolet Suburban boasts a gas/ethanol V8 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power, tilt sliding with express open and close and wind deflector, wheels, 22x9, 55.9 cm x 22.9 cm, gloss black aluminum with custom silver accents, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode, STD. This Chevrolet Suburban features the following options: max trailering package, includes GU6, 3.42 rear axle ratio and JL1, trailer brake controller. 4WD models also include NQH, 2-speed active transfer case, silverized metallic. RST edition includes SGK, 22 gloss black aluminum wheels with custom silver inserts, PBH, front and rear black bow ties, unique gloss black sport grille with body color surround, body color door handles and headlamp accents, black mirror caps, belt line moldings and roof rails and black nameplate badging. Premier preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, LPO, illuminated door sill plates, dealer installed, jet black, perforated leather appointed seat trim, engine, 5.3 liters Ecotec 3 V8 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing includes aluminum block. Construction, 355 horsepower, 265 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 383 pounds-to-foot of torque, 518 Nm, at 4,100 revolutions per minute, STD, engine block heater, driver information center, enhanced, 8 diagonal multicolor configurable display, includes, UV6, head-up display, audio system, Chevrolet MyLink radio with navigation and 8 diagonal color touchscreen AM/FM stereo with seek and scan and digital clock, includes Bluetooth streaming audio for music and select phones, voice-activated technology for radio and phone, and shop with the ability to browse, select and install apps to your vehicle. You can customize your content with audio, weather and more, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, 5 USB ports and 1 auxiliary jack, STD. Stop by today for a must-own Chevrolet Suburban. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3. Just minutes away.